You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this acronym as well as how to say more interesting acronyms and what they mean. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel. So what does this mean? This stands for Wireless Application Protocol. That's what it stands for. Wireless Application Protocol, also known as WAP. WAP. That's what it means, right? Yeah, let me know. Otherwise, in the comment perhaps. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.